What is it?
Today's day number 5. And today we have the Charizard.
Ooh, it's obsidian flames. Do you want me to open it? Wait,
Yeah.
Alright, hold this.
Hold this.
No, hold this.
Hold this. Great.
Good job.
Actually, can you go get Dazzle Tops, Mommy? Yeah, Dazzle Tops will be on there. You'll see him. He's nice and rainbow. It's like on the other video where you hear me say, Dazzle Tops interested. Yeah, that's what
Dazzle Tops is interested?
Yeah,
All right.
that's the episode that was the episode where you saw Dazzle Tops. You all remember Dazzle Tops? So here we go.
Turn
Okay, what
it.
is
Just
it?
like that.
What is it?
That is Dolly? Temple?
Hey, well, this is extra.
Yeah, it's extra.
Let's tell it. Over here's where we
Alright,
get that.
who's that?
I don't know.
Surskit. Numel. Houndstone. Diggersby. Camerupt. Ooh, who's that?
Eee!
You gotta show your hands covering. Eevee.
They have to fix the pile, yeah.
Okay.
I'm fixing that too.
Okay.
Yeah, Pokemon cards are a little different. Oh,
Who else?
okay.
Ooh, Ponyard.
Alright.
And Gita. And then what's that?
It's psychic energy. Thanks for watching.